This is the Doogee V40 Pro, the first rugged phone equipped with a 4nm octa-core processor. It's a gaming-style rugged smartphone packed with features like a 6.78 inches FHD Plus display, an 8680 mAh battery, a small display on the back, and more. I can't wait to dive into it, so let's open the box and see what this beast has to offer. On the right side of the box, it mentions the storage and RAM. Inside the box, we get a charging adapter, a charging cable, and the rugged phone itself. It looks rugged but is sleek at the same time. It feels sturdy in the hand, definitely built to take some hits. The design of the Doogee V40 Pro seems quite impressive to me. The color I have is blue, but it is also available in silver. The blue color in my hand looks quite appealing. On the back, there is a text written such as "For those who dare" or "Dare to play." And below that, the Doogee logo is placed. There's also a small screen at the back which looks very unique and adds a nice touch. And you can turn off this screen when you wanted to play a game, so it does not interrupt you playing a game. This small screen displays notification and allows you to control your music. Additionally, when you are taking videos or photos with the rear camera, the display can show your face, so you can preview how the photo or video will look. You can even take pictures directly while checking yourself on the screen, while I found quite useful and interesting. The rear camera module is rounded in shape and houses 4 cameras along with a flash. The camera design itself looks great. As for the body, it's not as thick as other rugged phone, but since it is a rugged phone, it's still thick a little bit due to a large battery. The body has a rubberist finish, making it durable and resistant to damage if dropped, which is a great feature. On the right side, you will have volume buttons and a power off button. At the top, there is a microphone. On the left side, there is a SIM tray and extra customized button. At the bottom, there are dual speakers and a charging port that is sealed with rubber to prevent water damage. You can safely use this phone in the water without worrying about damage. Overall, I really like the design. It feels premium in the hand with a stylish grip. The phone is both stylish and practical with its unique features and rugged build. Okay, here we go. Look at the screen. The 6.78 inches FHD Plus display is gorgeous. I mean, the resolution is 1080p by 2460 and it's got a 120Hz refresh rate. This thing is gonna be super smooth when scrolling through apps, websites, and just overall navigations. Definitely a big win for gaming and media consumption. As we can see, the display bezels on the right and left side are okay, but on the top and the bottom we can see it's a little bit obvious. But still everything feels buttery smooth. I'm already liking how responsive it is, but let's dive deeper into the specs. We have got some serious house power under the hood. Let's talk about the battery. The Doogee V40 Pro comes with an 8680 mAh battery. That's massive, guys. And when you do need a charge, you have got 33-watt fast charging to get you back in the game in no time. This phone runs on the Dimensity 7300 4nm octa-core processor, which is the first rugged phone to feature a 4nm MediaTek chip. This means it's got up to 30% better performance and better battery life than previous models. Plus, you are getting 5G connectivity, so you can expect blazing fast internet speeds. Android 14, esports and technical style, new Doogee self-developed AI large model. Wait for a minute for showing you the gaming performance on Wi-Fi and on high graphic. Now let's talk about the camera. The Doogee V40 Pro has an insane 200 megapixel main camera. There is an 8 megapixel wide angle macro and an 8 megapixel long focus camera for even more shooting flexibility. We also get a 20 megapixel night vision camera for those low light shots. For selfie lovers, there's a 32 megapixel front camera. Alright, time to put this phone through its piece. We are jumping into PUBG Mobile at high graphics settings. I have got the game running on 120 FPS thanks to that dedicated gaming display chip. And with the 240Hz touch sampling rate, the responsive time is lightning fast. Wow, check that out. The frame rate are rocking solid, no lag whatsoever so far. This is one smooth experience. Whether you are playing something fast paced like PUBG or something graphically intense, this phone's got the power to handle it all. And seriously, I can feel how cool it keeps my palm. That dedicated gaming chip really helps keep things smooth even during those heating battles. To be honest with you guys, I have been playing games about more than 3 weeks already. I play games every night before go to bed and I don't feel the phone gets heat. I play about more than an hour but I still feel the phone it's absolutely okay. Hi guys, I am recording this video from the front camera of Doogee V40 Pro. This is the result you can get from this smartphone. I am walking slowly and the background looks quite okay. And I'm not using any external microphone for recording this video, so the audio quality comes direct from this smartphone. So yeah, this is the result from front camera recording, 1080p FHD. Alright guys, now I'm recording a video from the back camera of Doogee V40 Pro. This is 1x when you wanted to record a video from the back camera, ultra wide 8 switch automatically 1080p. So you can record a video 1080p back camera video, but this is 4K recording video. This is 1x and they have two switches, 1 and 3x. 3x looks quite good and it can zoom till 50x. That's too much. 1 and 2x looking very nice. And I'm walking slowly right now, and as you can see how is the stability on this camera, and the audio also comes direct from this smartphone, so I'm not using any external microphone. Looking good, right? And you can also do vlogging on this smartphone. Good. Guys, if you are looking to pick this up, now's the time. There's a huge Black Friday discount happening and you don't want to miss it. The Doogee V40 Pro comes in two colors, silver and blue, and you can grab the 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage variant. But hurry, this deal won't last long. Check the link in the description to grab your before it sells out. Alright guys, that's it for today's unboxing and review. I hope you enjoy it. Please consider subscribing to this channel and liking this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.